Hi guys, by recording video footage every time you drive, the best dash cams give you extra peace of mind when you're behind the wheel. To help you find the right model for your needs and budget. All products have to provide a certain level of satisfaction, receive positive reviews from trusted sources, and offer the right balance of value for money. If it ticks the right boxes, it's worthy of the list. So, let's get started. Number 5, 4K Wi-Fi Dual Dash Cam Reel 4K Optional, 4K Dashcam. This 4K Dashcam is here with the 40% price off. Now you can get it at around $56. The 4K Wi-Fi Dual Dashcam sets a new standard for dashboard cameras, offering unparalleled clarity, versatility, and security for every journey. With its real 4K resolution, optional rear cabin cam installation, 3-inch IPS display, night vision technology, 24H parking mode, and Wi-Fi connectivity, this dashboard camera provides comprehensive coverage and peace of mind on the road. Let's delve into the remarkable features that make the 4K Wi-Fi Dual Dashcam a must-have for any vehicle. Real 4K resolution for crystal clear footage. The 4K Wi-Fi Dual Dashcam boasts true 4K resolution, delivering stunningly clear and detailed footage of your surroundings. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising along scenic highways, this dashboard camera captures every moment with exceptional clarity, ensuring that you never miss a single detail. Optional rear cabin cam installation for enhanced coverage. With the option for rear or cabin cam installation, the 4K Wi-Fi Dual Dashcam provides versatile coverage to suit your specific needs. Whether you prefer to monitor the rear of your vehicle or capture footage from inside the cabin, this dashboard camera offers flexibility and customization for comprehensive surveillance. 3-inch IPS display for easy viewing. Featuring a 3-inch IPS display, the 4K Wi-Fi Dual Dashcam provides a clear and intuitive interface for easy viewing of recorded footage and real-time monitoring. The vibrant screen ensures optimal visibility, even in bright sunlight or low-light conditions, allowing you to review footage with ease. Night vision technology for enhanced visibility. Equipped with advanced night vision technology, the 4K Wi-Fi Dual Dashcam delivers crisp and clear footage, even in low-light or nighttime environments. Number 4, DDPAI Dashcam Z50, Front and Rear 4K Dashcam. This 4K Dashcam is here with the 58% price off. Now you can get it at around $77. The DDPAI Dashcam Z50 Front and Rear 4K is a powerful and reliable companion for every driver. With its 4K front camera, 1080p rear camera, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, dual dash camera configuration, loop recording, G-sensor, and compact design, this dashcam provides comprehensive coverage and peace of mind on the road. Let's explore the impressive features of the DDPAI Dashcam Z50 Front and Rear 4K. 4K front plus 1080p rear recording. Equipped with a 2160p front camera and a 1080p rear camera, the DDPAI Dashcam Z50 captures every moment of your drive with stunning clarity. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising along scenic highways, this dual dash camera ensures that you have high-definition footage of both the front and rear of your vehicle. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities, the DDPAI Dashcam Z50 offers seamless connectivity and precise location tracking. Easily access and download footage from your dash camera to your smartphone or tablet via the DDPAI app, allowing you to review and share recordings with ease. Dual dash camera for comprehensive coverage. The DDPAI Dashcam Z50 is designed to provide complete coverage of your vehicle, with both front and rear cameras capturing footage simultaneously. Whether you're concerned about potential collisions from the front or rear of your vehicle, this dual dash camera ensures that you have a comprehensive view of your surroundings at all times. Loop recording and G-sensor. Featuring loop recording functionality, the DDPAI Dashcam Z50 automatically overwrites older footage with new recordings, ensuring that your memory card never runs out of space. The next is Number 3, AZDOME M550 Pro Car DVR 4K Dashcam. This 4K Dashcam is here with the 30% price off. Now you can get it at around $86. In an era where road safety and security are paramount, the AZDOME M550 Pro Car DVR Dashcam stands out as a powerful and reliable companion for every driver. Packed with cutting-edge features and advanced technology, this dashcam offers unparalleled surveillance and peace of mind on the road. Let's delve into the remarkable capabilities of the AZDOME M550 Pro Car DVR Dashcam. Dual-channel 4K plus 1080p recording. Equipped with dual-channel cameras capable of recording in stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p resolution for the rear camera, the AZDOME M550 Pro captures every detail of your journey with exceptional clarity and precision. Whether it's capturing license plates or road signs, this dashcam ensures that you have crystal-clear footage for playback and analysis. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. With built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, the AZDOME M550 Pro allows for seamless wireless connectivity to your smartphone or tablet. Easily access, download, and share footage directly from the dashcam to your mobile device, eliminating the need for cumbersome cables or memory card transfers. GPS navigation and tracking. Integrated GPS functionality allows the AZDOME M550 Pro to track your vehicle's location, speed, and route in real time. This feature provides valuable data for navigation, trip analysis, and insurance purposes, giving you greater insight into your driving habits and patterns. Enhanced night vision. Featuring advanced night vision technology, the AZDOME M550 Pro ensures clear and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. High-quality infrared LEDs illuminate the road ahead, capturing crucial details and enhancing visibility for safer nighttime driving. Parking monitor and G-sensor. The AZDOME M550 Pro offers comprehensive parking surveillance with its built-in parking monitor and G-sensor. The next is Number 2, OBDEPAK Car DVR H330 Dashcam 4K Dashcam. Now you can get it at around $70. The OBDEPAK Car DVR H330 Dashcam is a versatile and reliable device that offers enhanced safety, security, and peace of mind on the road. This innovative device offers a comprehensive range of features designed to capture every moment of your journey, from the front, cabin, and rear perspectives. Let's explore the key features and benefits of the OBDEPAK Car DVR H330 Dashcam. 360-degree coverage. The OBDEPAK Car DVR H330 Dashcam comes equipped with 3 cameras, providing complete coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. With front, cabin, and rear cameras, this dashcam captures every angle, ensuring that you have a comprehensive record of your journey from start to finish. Ultra HD 4K resolution. Featuring Ultra HD 4K resolution, the OBDEPAK Car DVR H330 Dashcam delivers crystal-clear footage with stunning clarity and detail. Whether you're driving during the day or night, this dashcam ensures that you capture high-quality video that can be used as valuable evidence in the event of an accident or incident. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, the OBDEPAK Car DVR H330 Dashcam allows you to easily access and download footage directly to your smartphone or tablet. The integrated GPS module provides accurate location tracking, speed monitoring, and route recording, giving you valuable insights into your driving habits and patterns. Night vision and parking monitor. Equipped with advanced night vision technology, the OBDEPAK Car DVR H330 Dashcam ensures clear and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. Additionally, the 24-hour parking monitor feature detects and records any suspicious activity around your vehicle when parked, providing added security and peace of mind. The next is Number 1, 70mm Dashcam A810 Ultra HD 4K Dashcam. This 4K dashcam is here with the 59% price off. Now you can get it at around $100. In today's world, having a reliable dashcam in your car is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. The 70mm Dashcam A810 offers advanced features and cutting-edge technology to ensure that you can capture every moment on the road with clarity and precision. Let's delve into the features and benefits of this Ultra HD 4K dashcam and how it can enhance your driving experience. Ultra HD 4K resolution. The 70mm Dashcam A810 boasts an Ultra HD 4K resolution, providing crystal-clear footage of your journeys. With 4 times the resolution of Full HD, this dashcam captures every detail with stunning clarity, ensuring that you have high-quality video evidence in the event of an incident or accident. Built-in GPS and ADAS. Equipped with built-in GPS and advanced driver assistance systems, the 70mm Dashcam A810 offers enhanced safety and convenience features. The GPS functionality allows you to track your route and speed, while ADAS provides real-time alerts for lane departure, forward collision, and other potential hazards, helping you stay safe on the road. Wide field of view. Featuring a 150-degree field of view, the 70mm Dashcam A810 ensures that you capture a wide perspective of the road ahead. This wide-angle lens provides comprehensive coverage, minimizing blind spots and ensuring that you don't miss any crucial details, whether you're driving on highways, city streets, or rural roads. Motion detection and auto record. With motion detection technology, the 70mm Dashcam A810 automatically begins recording when it detects movement around your vehicle, even when parked. So this is the best option for you to buy.